Hi, and welcome back to Miss April's English. Today, we're going to be learning about synonyms and antonyms. What are they, and what's the difference between them? Let's get started. So, a synonym is just words with the same or very similar meanings. We're going to take a look at a few examples now. First, we have the words below and under. They look different and are spelled different, but they both pretty much mean the same thing. Next, if someone says that they are about to leave, you can also assume that they will depart, because leave and depart are synonyms. Now, the next pair of words might be very familiar. Fall and autumn. I think these words are just a matter of preference. Which one do you like using? Now here we have the words page and sheet. You could say turn the page. You could also say I'd like a sheet of paper. They both will mean the same thing. You should get the exact same thing when you ask for this. And lastly, we have the pair of words shout and yell. You can use these words interchangeably to mean the exact same thing. Now let's take a look at antonyms. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. So, the exact opposite of synonyms. Let's see some examples. Our next pair of words is hot and cold. Well, if you're outside, you can tell that you'll feel differently whether it's hot or cold. The weather will be opposite. Then there's day and night. If you just look at the sky when it's day and then again at night, you can tell that they look different. One is bright and one is very dark. Now we have an example of excited and disappointment. You're going to feel differently if you feel these two words or have ever felt them before. Here we have over or above something and under or below something. Two more opposites. Here's our next example. Ocean, which has lots and lots of water, and land. Now here's your chance to try an activity. Look at this sort. We have a column for synonyms and another column for antonyms. How could you sort these words so that synonyms are in one column and the words that are antonyms or opposites are in another column? Take a minute to look over this example with the answers that you should have gotten on your sort. Here is one last activity. Place a word in each category. So our two categories are, of course, synonyms and antonyms. If you look at the word, for example, clean, what is one word that means the same or a synonym, and what's another word that you could use that means the opposite of clean or an antonym? Go ahead, try this out for each word you see in the middle column. If you've made it this far, you're doing a great job. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you begin to recognize some synonyms and antonyms in your reading and writing. Perhaps you've encountered these words before, but just didn't realize that they were actually called synonyms and antonyms. Take some more time to practice. Come back again soon for more content. See you next time.